Skills. Listening.
3. Listen to the recording and decide if the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
The Healthy Eating Pyramid is a simple, reliable guide to choosing a healthy diet. Its foundation is daily exercise and weight control, since these two related elements strongly influence your chances of staying healthy. The Healthy Eating Pyramid builds from there, showing that you should eat more foods from the bottom part of the pyramid, vegetables, whole grains, and fewer from the top, red meat, refined grains, potatoes, sugary drinks, and salt. When it's dining time, fill half your plate with vegetables. The more varied the better. And fruits. Save a quarter of your plate for whole grains. Fish, poultry, beans or nuts can make up the rest. Healthy oils like olive and canola are advised in cooking, on salad and at the table. Complete your meal with a cup of water, or, if you like, tea or coffee with little or no sugar. Staying active is half of the secret to weight control. The other half is a healthy diet that meets your calorie needs. So be sure you choose a plate that is not too large.